stuffing. Turkey. This is a basted turkey with ribs, back portion, wing, neck, marinated with up to 9 gravy pack included. That's what's for dinner tomorrow. And even when your hope is gone. Sup, guys? So I'm listening to Move Along right now. Should be listening to Christmas music since it's Christmas Eve, but I'm not covering the mic again. But I decided to go on like a Christmas walk or Christmas Eve walk because I was getting grumpy for some reason. And then we'll go home and do like some of the baking and all that. But look how pretty this trail is. That's the lake over there. We're about to go close to it. I don't think there's going to be any kids at the playground today, so maybe we'll stop there. But yeah. So, I'm like, I know you're there. Alright. Camera off. So there was a guy on the trail, and I was like, I don't want to interrupt your shot, but I don't think he heard what I said. So he's somewhere taking photos. I'm going to stop here so you guys can see the lake a little bit. It looks like it's completely frozen. There he goes. I don't know if you can see him. He's way up the hill. But most of this is frozen. But they put up a sign saying, like, don't ice skate on this because, like, you don't know how deep it is. Oh, they don't know either. Right about there, we're going to go to that side. That's all waters. And I absolutely do not like this bridge. Let me zip up my pockets. Strap my band. I don't like bridges in general, but, like, and we made it. But I would go that way, but like right in the middle is like the divot for the water. So I don't know if I'm gonna do this trail twice because my ankles are getting cold. I didn't put on like the proper socks, and I don't have snow boots right now, so we might end up just going back home. We'll see what happens. I tend to go on adventures, so we'll see. So that's the sign. I'm not going to go down there because I don't want to slip and fall. But it says keep off ice, thin ice, no ice skating, ice fishing, blah, 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 allowed or swimming. Which is funny because a lot of kids come here and like play in the water like right there. Let me show you. Oh no, I think my headphones died. But yes. I'm not going down there because, again, I don't want to slip and fall. So let's go home. Sup, guys? So I've started a new project. I've decided, after watching Jazza, that I would do... Can't even talk. I'm so tired. I decided that I would build Emma's world from my book, which back in 2013 was on the Waddy Awards. I forgot what our ranking was because I deleted everything except for the book itself. I also have a printed version of the book. It is currently not for sale, but after I'm finished building this world and rewriting and, like, finally, I'm on the last draft of editing, you will see. But I wanted to show you guys, okay, I was on the microphone. I wanted to show you guys the map of where everything happens, So I might release it by chapters. Once I rewrite those chapters, of course. Pillow's in my way. So I'm going to flip this around, and I'm going to show you the start of the world. So. And I'm actually going to redraw this. So I made the map on Incarnate. This is the park that Emma goes to. So this is Riverside Park. I don't know if you can see that. This is where Emma lives. Somewhere in here is actually probably through here will be the train tracks, because it goes out into this place. This is the way to the real world where her aunt works. This is basically like Emma's whole world. It's disconnected from the rest of the world. This will be filled in. This is where her best friend lives. This is where something happens later on in the chapter. So this is Omeren's ship. And this is the world of Black Barrow. So Black Barrow is technically an island, I guess. It has a path here to connect it to this. It's traveled by train or by car. And yeah, so we're starting to build the world.